Okay, here's that video. Here's the noise. Yeah, I know it's on high, but I'll turn it down. Still does it. Still does it. It even doesn't want to turn it off, so it's got to be something mechanical. It can't be electric if it does that when I turn it off. But there you go. The problem with the fan. So, bye.